When you go to prison, a lot of times you feel lost, you're scared, confused, you don't have a roadmap, let alone no one's going to hand you a guide and says, hey, here's how you survive this. You have a struggle on how do we become stronger, how do you become better from this whole experience? And that's where Behind Bars Blueprint comes in. I'm Jason, the founder and CEO of Behind Bars Blueprint, and if you are a warden, a correctional officer, a policymaker, administrator, even a politician, a loved one of someone who's incarcerated, or if you're looking at serving time yourself, then you're going to want to hear this. Behind Bars Blueprint is the most comprehensive, field-tested, and human-centered prison navigation program available today. It's not a theory, it's real. It's been lived, it's been taught, it's been refined for over 18 years from the inside system and now outside it. I've spent years developing this curriculum, first while I was inside, using it myself, then teaching it to others. And for 15 years since my release, I've worked shoulder to shoulder with incarcerated men and women, refining every lesson based on their feedback and the needs of correctional staff. Each workbook in the blueprint targets a specific phase of the incarceration journey. From first day orientation to preparing for parole to rebuilding a life on the outside, our program meets people where they are. We cover mental health, addiction, relationships, goal setting, financial literacy, reentry planning, and much more, all written at a level that ensures clarity and accessibility. This isn't a one-size-fits-all program. We designed Behind Bars Blueprint to fit seamlessly into existing correctional industries, educational services, and reentry programs. Behind Bars Blueprint is aligned with real-world challenges that prisons and individuals face: overcrowding, understaffing, recidivism, and it provides a proactive, low-cost solution that fosters accountability, emotional intelligence, and purpose-driven behavior behind the walls and even after. Every incarcerated person has the potential to come out better than when they went in, if they're given the right tools. That's what we offer. It's a roadmap. It's a blueprint. It's a reset. It's a real shot at transformation. To learn more, visit www.behindbarsblueprint.com. Prisons, jails, and correctional facilities can request free samples of the workbooks. Get in touch with us. Let's partner to make a real difference inside and out.